Okay, guys. Now, this one, I got to tell you, it's pretty easy here. Knowing the rules that we just looked at in the introduction, of course, this is going to be 5 to the 9, right? You know what I should do is I should write it's 5 to the 3 plus 6. I add their exponents, and that gives me 5 to the 9. Okay? Simple enough. They have the same base, so I add their exponents. Now, guys, I want to talk about something right here. You'll see that there's a negative 2 out front here, and that one's to the first power. So this is really negative 2 to the fifth. Now, we've talked about this some in class, and I think we need to talk about it a little bit more. Uh-oh. Looks like I have some left over from class. Some of that explanation. Okay? But let's talk about this. You need to remember that in this case, the negative is inside the parentheses right here. Okay? It's included to the fourth power. So I would raise that negative. It would be negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. There's a difference between negative 2 to the fourth and negative 2 to the fourth. These things do not equal each other. In effect, this is the negative of 2 to the fourth. This on the right is negative 2 to the fourth. This would give me a negative 16, and this gives me a positive 16. So it matters if that negative is inside the parentheses or not. Now you're going to say, but Mr. C, you put that negative inside the parentheses up there. It wasn't originally there. You're right. But that negative 2, since it was only one of them, I can add that power. It's negative 2 to the first. I just have one of them on the outside. So it's as if that I didn't have parentheses because it was just to the first power. But as soon as I have it raised to another power, I need to say whether or not that negative is included. Okay? All right. Now this last one, pretty simple here. X to the 2 plus 3 plus 4. I just add them up and I get x to the 9. All right. Good job there, guys. Remember that one on B. Remember this one here. Okay. And the way these things are not equal to each other. It's important whether or not that negative's inside the parentheses. Okay. You can try it. Put it in your calculator and see if you get the same answer for both of them. All right. Good job, guys.